Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. It is another yummy delicious recipe, guys. Welcome back. In today's recipe we are making delicious egusi and bitter leaf soup. Please stay tuned. So guys, for our ingredients for today, I'm using red onions, frozen bitter leaf, red oil, chicken seasoning powder, habanero pepper and ogidiobe, maggi, blended egusi, blended dry fish, but you can use crayfish as well, and salt. So guys, this is our meat. We are using beef and we are using shaki and bomo. Okay, we're going to add ingredients in our meat. So I'm going to add 2 maggi. I'm going to add chunky onions. I'm going to add chicken seasoning powder. I'm going to add salt. Now we're going to cover and we're going to start cooking our meat. We will cook our meat until the meat is soft, okay? So guys, in this pot I am going to add my frozen bitter leaf, okay? And I'm going to allow it to boil. Just boil it for a bit and let the bitter taste go out of it, because you do not want the bitter taste in your soup. So I am going to boil that for a bit, okay? For like 10 minutes or so. Once the water starts bubbling, I'll take it out of the stove. So now guys, I'm going to take my bitter leaf off from the stove. So guys, I'm going to take out my chunky onions from the pot, and after that I am going to add more water inside the pot, okay? I have not added water since I started cooking it. I just allowed it to cook with its own juice, okay? But then after taking out these onions, I am going to add water. So guys, after allowing my meat to cook, I am going to add my egusi inside the pot. You can either choose to add your egusi with your meat, or fry your egusi, or you can either choose to boil your egusi separately and add it inside the pot. Whichever method you choose, they are all good method, okay? I'm going to add my egusi inside there. So now I have covered it. I am going to allow my egusi to cook for like 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, I am going to pound my habanero pepper and my ogiliobe. So now guys, I'm going to slice my bitter leaf because they're kind of very long, so I want to slice it to be a bit smaller. So guys, after 15 minutes, I am going to add my palm oil. I am also going to add my blended dry fish. You can add crayfish. I'll add my ogiliobe and habanero pepper. Now I'm going to cover and I'm going to allow the red oil to cook for like 15 minutes as well, because you want your oil, especially your red oil, to cook properly, because if it doesn't, it has a taste. So you want to allow it to cook for about 15 minutes as well, okay? So guys, after allowing our palm oil to boil for like 15 minutes, I am going to taste if there is maggi and salt. I'm going to add one maggi, and I'm also going to add one of this chicken seasoning because there is no seasoning in it. Okay, now there's a good amount of seasoning in it. I'm not going to add salt. I'm going to add a tiny bit of water. Now I'm going to cover and let that simmer for 5 minutes. So guys, after 5 minutes, I'm going to add my bitter leaf. I'm going to add a little bit of water because it is still too thick for me. Now I'm going to cover and allow that to simmer for another 5 minutes. So guys, after 5 minutes, it is time to take our egusi soup out from the stove. Guys, it is tasting so yummy and the aroma is absolutely so delish. So yes, let's take it off from the stove because it is ready. So guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. It is looking absolutely delicious and I can't wait to dive in, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all on my next one. Bye.